Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create like this logo animation using AI tools and After Effects, and all without any third-party plugins and 3D software. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. It's really helped me to keep creating more tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, go to the gemini.google.com and select this tool and select this create image. After that, upload your logo image and enter this prompt, and you can copy this prompt from the description and click on submit. So this is my final output, and I have created few more 3D logo like this with this same method. You can copy the prompt from the description. So go to the description and click on the link. You will get this PPT file, and as you can see, I have attached everything. You can download this PPT and copy prompt. So next step, go to the 3dunion.passion.com and log in it. You will get 20 credits in the starting, and you can translate if you want. And I will use this image to make this 3D. So I will upload in the single section here. It will take few seconds to upload. After that, click on generate. So this is our final render. As you can see guys, this is looking really good. As you can see, the texture, rendering, modeling and color, everything is good. As you compare this actual image, you will see the difference. It's really amazing. So download the GLB file. After that, go back to the After Effects and create any composition and name it main. And I will keep the setting 9020 by 1080, duration 20 seconds, and go to the 3D render and select it advanced 3D and hit OK. After that, import all logo.glb file into the composition, and you will see something like this pop-up screen. Just hit OK. Select all layers, move at the 1 second, and press S, and make the scale size 116. In the beginning, before the 1 second, I want to show my 2D logo, so I will import my logo into the composition and press S, decrease the scale size of this. So let's align the size of the logo with the 3D logo's position. The logo alignment is proper now. Go to the at the 1 second and hold Alt and square bracket to trim the logo. And you have to trim the end to start like this. Now go to the 50 frame seconds and add a scale keyframe and go to the beginning and make the value 0. And select both of these keyframes, press F9 to ease this bend, and go to the graph editor. If your graph editor is not looking like this, enable the speed graph and expand it. Select this right handle and move to the left side. Go back to the timeline, and if you play this, you will see like this pop up. Now I will arrange the sequence of these GLB files. So first I want to see the dragon fruit, and second will be donut, and third will be bread and wood and meat. This is my sequence. If you want, you can copy the sequence, otherwise you can adjust as per your requirement. So press R, add a 0 rotation keyframe in the beginning, press U to see the keyframes, and go to the at the 60 seconds and make the 0 rotation value first one -4 and shrink all layers. If you play the animation, you will see something like this 3D rotation, but all logos are combined with each other. But we have to show all logos one by one. So I want logo should be changed at this position. At this position, select all of these logos except this dragon fruit and trim it till the timeline cursor, and select the dragon fruit, hold Alt square bracket to trim the end of this, and make sure it should trim end to start. After that, go to the few seconds forward at the here when our logo position is this, and select all of these 3 logos and trim it till the cursor, and select this, hold Alt and square bracket to trim this as well, and make sure it should trim end to start like this. Now again, move few seconds forward at the here when our logo position is this, and select 2 layers and trim it till the cursor, and select this, hold Alt square bracket to trim this as well, and make sure again trim till the start and end. Repeat the same process. Go to the few seconds forward at the here when logo position is this, something like this, and trim this as well till the cursor, and select this one, hold Alt square bracket to trim this as well. also. So go to the beginning and play the animation and you will get something like this logo transition animation, and it's looking really good. Now let's add the background. So fit the screen and double click on the rectangle to add the background and change the color to the white and hit OK and name it background and move it under all of these layers and lock this layer. After that, let's add the lights. So right click, new, add the light and select this environment light and make sure cast shadow should be enabled and hit OK. After that, import this EXR file. You can download from the description and right click, transform, fit to comp and disable this EXR file and select the environment light and expand the layer and expand the light options. Change the source to this EXR. Now press R and change the X rotation value 56 and Y rotation value 28, or you can adjust as per your requirement. Alright, so as you can see the difference light after and before. And now let's add the shadow. So double click on this rectangle layer and name it shadow catcher and select on this 3D icon to make the layer 3D as well and press R and change the X rotation value 90 degree and move it down like this and make the X rotation value 111, something like this. You can adjust the base as you need. Now press S and increase the scale size and play the animation, and as you can see this shadow is little closer to the layer, so I will move it down like this and go to the end of the layer. As you can see this is ending here, but I want to rotate it a little bit more, so select the meat layer and press U to see the keyframe. Go to the at the 80 seconds and rotate it minus axis, something like this. So I will make the Z rotation value -330 and make the render area 80 seconds. Now select this shadow catcher layer and move it under all of these layers up to the background layer. After that, expand the layer and expand the material options and click on this accept shadow and click on it to make it only, and your shadow will be look like this, but shadow is too harder. Shrink the layer, select the shadow catcher and press T, decrease the opacity value and let's make it 45%. So guys, congratulations, our animation is done and thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It's really helped me keep making more tutorials like this. All the project files are available in the description, so feel free to download and explore them. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.